How to fix and solve sound issues in Samsung Galaxy phones. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to settings. After that, go to sounds and vibration. Make sure your phone is in sound mode. Go to sound quality and effects. And then make sure you have all the sound effects turned on. So if the problem does not go away, check for your software update. Scroll all the way down and go to software update. Tap on download and install. If there is an update, simply get the latest version of your software. After that, if the problem does not go away, go to about phone, then go to reset and reset all settings. Now, after that, your problem will be fixed. So that's how we do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.